Uh, how are you guys? Welcome to the class the vision. So firstly, if we need to know the class vision, please open this one, the insight. Okay, uh, open the software, Cognex. Okay, and you will see on the left side, you will see some of these. Okay, some of these type. Please, if you can check on your uh, camera to see the last, I think the last four numbers. So let's take a look. Okay, guys, if I see on the camera on the left side, you will see the last last four or five number. This one 6B17A0. Okay, please check on the camera to see this one. Okay, and because each computer connect to different camera, so for this computer I check this one here, so I'm gonna double click here. Right now the camera is open. Okay, this is from the old example. Okay, so this one, please click on get connected. Okay, and then you can see this one the same, the number of the camera. Okay, and then click connect. I'm gonna hit a trigger and put my hand to make sure that the camera works. Okay, so right now the camera works because I hit the trigger and I put my hand. If you remove your hand, for example, I might remove and hit another the trigger, you can see there is another thing. You can see, okay, each time you hit the trigger, you will see different view or different picture of your hand. Please make sure that the camera is clear. Okay, you can adjust the camera using the lens or that you have, and you can remove the lens. Okay, right now please click new job. Okay, uh, he asks you that are you want to uh, clear the data, so I'm gonna click yes. So you can see there is a data here. I'm gonna click yes. Right now all the data is cleared. Okay. Okay, guys, so if you can take a look to this uh, the paper that you have. So look at your top of camera that we did. We found the MAC address. Okay, and then we found the camera and click connected, and that everything here we did. Okay, there should be a grid pattern attached to your camera, so you have to know that the camera is connected again, because we talk here that we hit the uh, this is the trigger, and we found that this trigger is uh, connected to that means the camera is connected. Okay, so let's see what is the next step. Set up image. So here we have to set up image about to the camera. Okay, so let's see what is the image that you have to set up. Here, here guys, uh, if you can take a look about the setup image, uh, and then put a grid sheet. So we're gonna here we're gonna click on setup image. Okay, so I put the setup image. Okay, and see what is the next step. We have to put a grid sheet. So let's see what is the grid sheet is. I think everybody they have this grid sheet that it is used for calibration. Okay, uh, let's see the instruction. You can see here. Uh, put the grid sheet camera and click trigger under the acquire load image. Okay, so if you put the grid sheet here and then click a trigger, please make sure that everybody they have the grid sheet. Okay. Okay, guys. Right now I put the grid sheet, and if you can take a look here under, because here what we said here, uh, click on the trigger under acquire load image. So we're gonna see under acquire load image, this one we have to put a trigger. Okay, we're gonna put trigger, and because I put the grid sheet so you can see this is that what we have in the trigger. Let's see what else does he have you want. So sorry for that. uh, Make sure one of these things, edit on the question setting. Trigger is on the camera, delay is 0, and auto is disabled. So let's see what we have here. So you have to know where is the edit acquire setting. So if I take a look here to the software, you can see this is edit acquire setting. Okay, he told us about the trigger, uh, a camera, and the delay is 0. So each like software, they have a different requirement, but this one, the requirement is the setting should be a 0. Okay, and what else do we have? This one we talk about, this should be a 0. Okay, okay. Here the exposure, here you can see the delay. You can see the exposure here is 8. This one, guys, if I move this, uh, the paper right now is not working because this is a trigger. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna click on the live video. So that means on the live video I can adjust the camera, I can adjust the paper. Okay, but I cannot do any setting. Okay, guys. So let's see. I'm gonna put the live video. So this is the live video. I can adjust the paper. Is the paper good or no? Okay, let me see. Okay, I can adjust the camera. So I can do a lot of stuff here. Okay, I have to make sure all these should be appear on the camera. Let me see. This is, guys, this is the live that, and the live I cannot do anything here. Okay, okay, but that the live, I use the live to make sure that everything works. So I'm gonna try to move the camera a little bit. Okay, move it here, move it here. Turn on the, guys, you have to turn on the light. Okay, there's a light here. Please turn on the light, and okay, think right now is good. Okay, if I can see, if I adjust these, let me see. Can I adjust it? You can see this one. If I decrease the, okay, right now, and I turn off the light to make sure that what is the best one that I have to do. Okay, let me uh, see what is the best option. Please also adjust the lens, if the lens is good or no. Okay, because this should be like very clear. The image should be very clear. Here I have a clear image, but some of the camera, we have to adjust the lens, and then I'm gonna remove the live video. So I'm gonna click here. Okay, and right now I think I have a good image. Okay, okay, I can click trigger. If you can take a look, we are finished this part of the live video, and we adjusted the edit or brightness, and then we click. Okay, so we are finishing these, we covering these. Okay, uh, and right now we're gonna see what is the under calibration image. We have to do this step. Okay, we have to choose edge to edge and select the edge. Okay, and you are going to the edge highlight. So let's cover. Let's see what is number one and number two. Okay, and see what we have to do in these two. Okay, so if we go to the software itself, you can see this is the calibration image. He asked us to do edge to edge that we have. We're just following what he said. Okay, and then click select edge. So I'm gonna click select edge. Okay, and see what is the next step. So let's see what the requirement here. Uh, we select edge, and you will see that uh, you will see here the highlight to blue. Choose to blue, you know the distance between, but I prefer to choose anyone. Uh, so I'm gonna choose this, what we can call the here the box. I will choose, for example, this is number one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so I'm gonna choose from here. For example, I will choose six here. So this means I have to make sure that the lines right line. Okay, so this one I'm gonna choose six. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna choose six. That's what I want. And if you can see here, uh, wait, we finished. So this, hold on. Under the unit, this step is going to different from lab to lab. I want from you to measure inch for this lab. Okay, he measure multimeter, but please you have to choose inch. So let's see that. Okay, he also here under dimension put the measure for one box. We have six box. So uh, and then under calibration image unit, you will see the grid sheet arrow. Okay, so let's see what's that. So number one, he asked us to do this one as inch. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one, inches, the unit. And the dimension here, we have this one, two, three, four, five, six. So I select six boxes. Okay, so I will choose the dimension, and if we can take a look to the paper, as a grid spacing is 1 inch. 1 inch. That means each grid should be 1 inch. But because we have here six, one, two, three, four, five, six, this means we will have called here six, and then click calibrate. Okay, click calibrate. You can see the calibration right now. Okay, okay, guys, and if you can take a look here under calibration image to the real world units, you should see the grid. Okay, grid sheet and an arrow go from edge to edge to another edge. Okay, guys, and you will see here the grid one, two, three, four, five, six. You can see this one, and from edge to edge. Okay, Rabbi, we have number six. Let's see step number five. This is step we're gonna talk about with the next video. Okay, and guys, thank you for your watching. Okay, thank you so much.